In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Xero to a Stripe account in just a few simple steps. This walkthrough is designed to be clear and straightforward, so you can seamlessly integrate these two platforms and streamline your financial processes. To begin, head over to Xero's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in xero.com. This will take you to the homepage where you'll find a wealth of resources and options dedicated to managing your business finances. Keep in mind that Xero is a powerful tool designed to simplify your financial management, and connecting it with Stripe will further enhance its capabilities. Once you're on the Xero homepage, locate the login button, which is typically at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login screen. Here, you'll need to enter your Xero login credentials, specifically your email and password. Make sure you have these details handy before you start so you can log in smoothly and avoid any unnecessary delays. After successfully entering your login information and accessing your account, the next step is to navigate to your account details. Look for your account name, usually found at the top of the dashboard, and click on it. This is where you'll access all the settings related to your Xero account. Within the account settings, locate the section labeled Settings and click on it. This will open up a variety of options for you to manage different aspects of your Xero account. One of these options will be payment services. This is crucial because it's where you'll eventually connect to Stripe. Now within payment services, you'll see an option to add new payment service. Clicking here allows you to integrate various payment solutions into your Xero account. For our purposes, look for the add other option, which will lead you to a selection of third-party services including Stripe. Once you've clicked add other, locate and select Stripe from the list of third-party payment providers. This step is essential as it will initiate the process of connecting your Stripe account with Xero. Now you'll be prompted to enter your Stripe account name. This is generally the name under which your Stripe account operates, so make sure this is entered correctly to prevent any integration issues. Following this, you'll need to select a payment account within Xero that will be associated with your Stripe transactions. This helps Xero know where to allocate payments received through Stripe. Finally, the last step is clicking Connect to Stripe. This action will